everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to yet again another edition of Chef Sophie and Friends Season 2. So, yesterday I was thinking about it and I was like, Acha, so who do I call on the grand finale and the final episode of this season, Season 2? And I was like, yeah, I think Amna Kardar and Bilal Mukhtar would make a great team because, fashion, lifestyle and photography, when it comes to a lot of things on the social media platforms, digital marketing, these guys are really out there. So, I had a great time with Vandana and Sanjana for the first episode of Season 2. And this time around, I was thinking that because best friends it would make a lot of sense for besties to come over and talk about their favorite food. A big shout out to Food Forest for being our giveaway partners as well. Eid Mubarak to everybody. I hope that this Eid is safe. It's peaceful. Hope everyone's vaccinated. And thank you so very much for supporting us here on Chef Sophie and Friends. Alright everyone, finally for Chef Sophie and Friends Season 2 we have Amna Kardar and Bilal Mukhtar. Talia! अच्छा मुझे पता था the reason why I called both of you सबसे पहले तो welcome.
Thank you.
Eid Mubarak to both of you.
Eid Mubarak.
लगता है
ईद में तुम हमसे मीठे पे बात हो।
यार देखिए the thing is आप दोनों के हाथों में जो मिठास है और काम में मिठास है ना
जादू है,
सर लोगों को पता होना
ये बातें
चाहिए।
जादू है जादू। बाय द वे सारा जादू मेरे हाथ में वो एक्स्ट्रा।
अच्छा वैसे मुझे लग भी रहा था क्योंकि मुझे लगता है
I'm good to look at. So
अपना मेकअप मैंने किया है।
अभी तो बिलाल ने जाके तैयारी शायरी पकड़नी है, अभी तो चिल्ला है पिक्चर बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। Okay guys, so what are we making today?
So we on this Eid are going to make some meetha because one I love meetha.
Yeah.
Me too.
And secondly I think काफी हो गया ना खाना
हाँ,
बाहर।
agreed.
So I will tell you what to make. Bilal shall do all the
मैं सब
paperwork.
बनाऊंगा।
लेकिन मैं अपने neighbor साथ लेकर आई हूँ।
छोटा
We're
kitchen.
gonna make a summer madness surprise because it's summer, it's hot. We want something light.
And there's madness.
And there's Bulbul Mash. The thing is cakes. I get sick of cakes.
I know.
I want to have something which is light because already हम बड़ी ईद पे इतना heavy खाना खाते हैं. There should be something light, something
especially
sweet.
Bakra Eid पे by the way.
Exactly.
Absolutely. Okay, I just like to plug in something over here. I love Food Forest. I think these guys are brilliant.
they are brilliant.
और अच्छा
I'm
एक
try
चीज
them but shall.
You shall. And आमना पता है क्या होता है जब तक हमें ठप्पा ना लगे ना कि अमेरिका से चीज लिए इटली से स्पेन तो हमें
भाई,
चैन
हम तो
नहीं
बड़े
आता ना।
देसी।
हम देसी है मेड इन पाकिस्तान।
Yeah,
Very
but
good
imagine always
Pakistan.
organic food.
Organic यार।
Yeah,
अच्छा,
yeah.
so I said
Ajay,
pineapples.
so the good thing about this recipe that I want to tell you guys is that we're going to use pineapple today, so you can use pineapple all year round because canned आपको मिलता है, but you can replace it with any fruit that's in the season.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
mango season है, आजकल तो है mango season.
Mango lover.
Mangoes को आप इस पे replace कर ले. You can't use fruit which is very liquidy like oranges type नहीं हो सकते, but peaches use कर सकते हो, bananas use कर सकते हो, so to each their own. तो base जो है वो ऐसी versatile है, कोई भी fruit डाल लोगे तो वो उस तरफ
तो सीजनल फ्रूट का आप रिप्लेस करते रहो ना। अच्छा तो नाउ आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स यहाँ पे आइसिंग शुगर है, you've got biscuits, candy and Mari, and then you also have a lot of cream and you've got some milk.
And then we have butter too.
So what we're going to do is
Yeah.
the base हम बनाएंगे with the
और ये मैं खा
you
खा ही
can
जाना
use
उससे।
just these as well or you can use just these. I like to mix. ये बहुत मीठे हैं, ये थोड़े
हाँ
not so sweet
Not
हैं,
so
mix
sweet.
करो तो बहुत मजे का combination
Perfect,
बन जाता है, right?
perfect.
So
ठीक है।
again everything can be switched around. So Bilal, open this. I'll
Okay,
open this.
I'm good at
What
it.
we're going to do is we're going to crush the biscuit.
Yes.
I'm going to enjoy the fact that you have the head chef and the helper over here.
Yeah,
And I'm
I got my neighbor with me. क्या करूँ?
I'm just a labor.
So what- अच्छा और hassle free, okay? मतलब सारी चीजें घर पे आपके पास ये पड़ी होती हैं. You can get any of these things from any Karyana store possible. हाँ, हर चीज कहीं से भी मिल सकती है, right?
यार ये मारी बिस्किट्स तो पता नहीं हर किसी के डिजर्ट के
Yeah,
साथ
yeah,
मुझे
जाते हैं।
बचपन याद आ जाता है
है ना?
because all these desserts used to be.
Exactly,
Okay, so
okay.
then you're going to take a baler. Give it to Bilal.
Practice
Well,
कर।
Put it in a lifafa and he's gonna crush the life.
There's no name like Lafafa.
Exactly. By the way, another dessert का फायदा इस वाली का
इसको क्या करना है?
चढ़ा होना तो कुट्टो पकड़ के
एक सेकंड
ओ भाई हेलो हेलो
तो करे ना ये हो क्या रहा है।
क्या करूं?
एक सेकंड
आप
Hold
मुझे
on,
बताएं।
ladies and gentlemen, lifafa in Punjabi terminology means a thela, which is a
Thela.
plastic bag right over there. Amna, if you could do the honors, thank you very much.
फिलहाल इसको कुटो
इसको आपने कुटना है, इसके अंदर डालें।
ठीक है, इसके बाद आगे
by the way,
कुटता
do we have any tissues?
And then yeah, of course we do. We
So
have a
जब तक
whole.
फिलहाल अपना गुस्सा ठंडा कर रहा है on that side, don't
ठीक
break the
है।
table.
अच्छा, so while he's doing that, मुझे बता आमना वैसे चल क्या रहा है
I'm gonna
यार,
do it
makeup
here.
classes and all, I'm loving
So
it.
I'm doing a whole US tour.
हाँ.
Sophie, I'm doing a master class in New York,
Okay.
in LA, in Virginia.
आमना कारदार
So I have gone international. नहीं, actually मैं जा रही थी vacation पे to
हाँ.
see my sister.
अच्छा.
But then I thought while I'm there, might as well see if I can do something.
Absolutely.
तो वो जो एक शहर से शुरू हुआ तो वो इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला कि
हाँ.
फिर वो दूसरे शहर, तीसरे शहर and now I have it in 4 cities.
और by the way,
So,
लिफाफे को ज्यादा जोर से ना मारा
लग
करें।
जाएगा।
आज है।
चूहा।
और
थोड़ा सा
जो-
चूहा।
अच्छा, इसको और क्रश करना
मोटा
पड़ेगा
मोटा
भाई।
नहीं छोड़ना।
ये बिलाल मुख्तार लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन जो यहाँ पे हेल्पर का रोल अदा कर रहे हैं।
मैं इसे तो शादी के इवेंट्स करता था, लेकिन आज ये हालात है।
ये हालात है। फाइनली ये टेबल और
Yeah.
कुर्सियां भी लगा
क्या
के नजर
बेचारे
आएंगे।
को हाल कर दिया
Yeah.
देखो जरा तो। अच्छा
Okay.
so what we're going to do anyways, तो वो क्लासेस वगैरह हो रही हैं।
ठीक है।
तो बस मैंने कहा थोड़ा सा ट्रैवल, थोड़ा सा काम।
नहीं, I
तो
like
मैं तो पता
that.
है।
I like that. अच्छा, आमना कारदार की बात ये है that she's very consistent and I absolutely love following her on the social media pages. आमना मुझे ये बताओ कि because summer में खासतौर पे पाकिस्तान में हमें पसीना ज्यादा इसलिए आता है
बहुत
क्योंकि
ज्यादा।
लोड शेडिंग फिर कूलिंग
वैसे
की
ही
अच्छी
गर्मी
होती
बहुत है,
गर्मी बहुत
humidity
है।
बहुत ज्यादा है
हाँ,
आजकल।
तो what would be your tips for people to remain cool और मेकअप वगैरह भी जरा सेट?
यार एक तो मैं वैसे ठंडी बंदी।
अच्छा, by the way, ये पहले बता दूं कि वो totally
girl.
चूल्हा।
Yes, I want totally. So this is
Yeah.
totally chura and this is not at all chura. So I want something in the middle.
In
Okay.
between, in between.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So basically ठंडा पानी पिया करें।
I'm going to give him brownie points for this.
अच्छा, by the way, what I'm doing is
हाँ.
I'm going to take the pineapple और मैं इसको थोड़ा सा dry out कर रही हूँ because obviously वो अपने शीरे के अंदर है,
Syrup,
right?
हाँ.
So we don't want something liquidy because वरना क्या होगा कि cream हमारी बहुत watery हो जाएगी।
ठीक है, ठीक
So I'm going to dry it out.
Okay,
right?
okay.
So अगर आप fresh pineapple लेते हो, you don't need to do that because obviously that's not.
But obviously फिर वो can जो होते हैं उसके अंदर तो
I
फिर-
think-
I mean, this you have year round, right?
Yeah,
वो
sure.
अलग मिलता भी नहीं है, so I'm just
यानी
drying
कि
the
ये
pineapple.
यार, I think
यानी कि
थोड़ा सा
शादी
और
में
कर लो।
सारा side dish में
थोड़ा
frame-
सा और कर लो।
frame से
फिलहाल
बाहर
बेइज्जती ना कराना, अच्छा सही तरह काम करो।
ये जान बुझ के जा रहे, मैं फ्रेम में डूबी ना।
आवरली पैसे दे रही हूँ, अच्छा बेइज्जती ना
The
करो।
reason why I had these guys over were because they're best friends. As you can see, you know,
Yeah,
their
we've known each
relationship
other
right
for
now.
25 years.
अच्छा, how did you guys meet? Like,
So
हाँ.
I'll tell you. So एक ज़माने में Style 360 होता था
Yes.
एक channel.
भाई मुझे याद है
Yeah,
बिलाल
yeah.
मुख्तार Style
And
360.
Style
Bilal
360.
used to go with
Huh?
the cameraman everywhere and take interviews and
I remember
stuff. So
that.
he came to take an interview. तब मैं accessories और ये
तभी
कुछ
हाँ,
करती
ये
थी.
designer थी,
And I was doing a
accessory.
show.
Host
हाँ.
थी,
ये host थी?
हाँ,
मैं
जी,
host
वो-
भी
host
थी,
थी।
so बिलाल ने मेरा
Host तो
interview
अभी भी
किया
है।
था,
हाँ.
and I met him there, and he was a small town boy, and he made it big. He's really a success story.
ठीक है।
Hey, so बिलाल मुख्तार. Woo! No, but wow.
Hardworking, honest,
Yeah.
and fame, money never got to him.
Yeah,
He is
yeah.
still
Sweet.
exactly the same.
Yeah.
Maybe now a little more good looking because I did the makeup.
Oh my
But-
She did the
God.
makeup.
Modesty be damned. No, but बिलाल की एक बात जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है वो ये कि वो बहुत मेहनती है.
बहुत,
He's always
बहुत.
doing something or the
Yes.
other.
I think we all
देखो
are.
यार, सोफी
We
जब
all
काम
are.
करना है तो काम क्या और नखरा
हाँ,
क्या,
बिल्कुल,
right? So
agree.
ये नखरा नुखरा टाइप चीज
Yeah,
नहीं तो बिलाल कर क्या रहे हो आजकल क्या चल
Okay,
रहा
so
है?
right now I'm about to launch my. It's a Style 360 slides only online called Achana BMPK.
Yeah.
So I'm launching that. Plus, thank God the PR has moved to digital PR, which I was
Yes.
already prepared
Yes,
of.
yes.
I'm
I think
cutting
you
the
are
pineapple
example of
also
digital.
साथ साथ
ठीक
बता
है,
दूं, अच्छा?
ठीक है, ठीक
So I'm just
So
making
all these
small
businesses, especially these food forests, they're like kind of a client of mine, and Prema is going to be my client, and all they want is this digital marketing, which I'm really good at.
Okay, sure. Here's a shout out to Vase then.
Yeah, Vase is great.
Okay, you guys did not see this, but the labor hired another person in the labor department
Yeah, yeah.
to do some work for him.
इसको कहते हैं कैसे होना?
ये हाँ, smartest.
her.
इसको कहते हैं इवेंट मैनेजर होना।
हमारी-
मैनेजिंग की है उसने।
हमारी डिजिटल मैनेजर आयशा के आज बर्थडे भी है, तो बर्थडे के दिन जो है ना
Yeah.
बेलना पकड़ा दिए थे बिलाल ने
Happy
उसको।
birthday, Aisha.
Happy birthday Aisha.
Okay, so we have
Okay.
all the pineapples here, and we've cut them
Okay.
and eaten some of them because they're yum.
All right.
So
What's
this
next?
is done. So now we need to whip the cream, which is the most important part. Make sure कि पहले से 2 घंटे के लिए put it in the freezer. गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा है, so very difficult. बिलाल give us the.
Oh, you know.
Do you want a beater?
I need a bowl.
And
there's a bowl.
No,
Yeah.
that's going to be the main dish now.
Okay, we need one more.
Nishta.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
डालो इसकी.
Okay, now what to do? डाल दे।
डाल दो cream.
Okay.
Okay, cream done.
इसी तरह
वो
whip करनी
दूसरी
है, क्या
वाली।
करना है?
It's a food forest knife.
So
I like how Bilal Mukhtar is endorsing Food Forest today. I like
okay, I
that.
don't know what they are, what they
तो
do.
बाबा क्या करना चाह रही हो?
But I want to try them. What is this food forest?
No, I'll tell you something. I work with a lot of people
Yeah.
when it comes to collaborating and
Yeah,
partnership,
same.
but I loved working with them because they're very ethical.
Yeah.
You know, and very nice.
And I love young people coming into this.
Yeah, why not? अच्छा नहीं ये सही है यार. I was thinking
नहीं
कि
ये
शायद
because
थोड़ी
हमने फ्रिज में रखी हुई
फ्रिज
थी.
में रखी हुई थी.
You have to keep it in the freezer actually, that's even better.
Even better.
Because गर्मियों में नहीं होती भी.
I think आयशा नासिर अगर ये शो देख रही हो, she's like सोफी तुमने मेरी दफा तो मुझे मेल्टेड क्रीम दे दी थी यार. है आमना की दफा तो सब चीजें सेट
हाँ
है.
sorry आयशा.
Okay then.
ठीक है, so you take 2 packets again. जितनी बड़ी गैदरिंग हो उतने ज्यादा आप
So
use कर
how
सकते
many
हो.
people do they serve as of now?
8
हाँ,
to 10.
कितने सब 8 to 10?
8 to 10 people खा सकते हैं. हम जैसे अगर डंगर
वैसा से ही खाएगा.
खाए तो मे बी 6 you know. अच्छा so इसको अब हमने क्या करना है, इसको हमने whip करना है. So फिलहाल
Beater or this?
yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
If
again,
you want to use this, you will be doing this for 2 days. If you want to actually serve this to your guests,
Beater.
Beater?
There you go.
Okay, I saw the beater here.
आयशा को बुलाए ना अपनी जो आपने लेबर
अच्छा ये बिलाल ने आप देख लें कैसे क्रश किए कि आधा बिस्किट तो ये
और अब दूसरा बिल्कुल चूरा हुआ है.
हाँ, या बिल्कुल
हाँ?
चूड़ा या बिल्कुल
Like
ये.
nothing in between.
So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I need to do this myself.
Okay. So I know what you're saying. So what are we going to do now?
So we need to
base-
put a little bit of butter. जिससे cheese
Okay.
cake का वो नहीं बनता.
हाँ, हाँ,
हमारे
हाँ, हाँ.
full speed पे करना full. So we need to take a little bit of melted butter.
Okay, how
The
much?
Summer is doing that for us.
Okay, how much butter do you want?
Yeah, put 2 tablespoons.
Oh.
Wow. So what the butter is going to do is bind this whole thing together,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So जब तक प्याले को ना सर पे रखें and the cream is not falling on your head,
हाँ.
we will try that. with
We
Bilal.
will try. Done.
Although वो गिर जाएगी.
अच्छा, I love the way that मेरा बिल्कुल दिल कर रहा था कि मैं अपने हाथों
Yeah,
से
so
करूं.
I am a real hands-on. By the way, we washed our hands. Don't worry.
By the way, Amna, I love your rings.
Thank you.
So pretty.
नहीं कैसे थे recording time पे
बिलाल,
आवाज ज्यादा आती
keep going. इसको कहते हैं कामचोर होना.
Recording खराब हो
बिलाल,
गई.
आपका जो ये appearance थी ना हमारे आज शेफ सोफी फ्रेंड्स में,
इसको
वो
कहते
यही
हैं कामचोर होना.
That's it. ये परफॉर्मेंस थी. Okay.
और अभी मैं बिलाल ने जो पिछला काम खराब किया उसको ठीक कर रही हूँ.
हाँ.
और अभी वो दूसरा काम खराब कर रहा है.
अच्छा, icing sugar also I
Yeah,
see.
so icing sugar हम cream में डालेंगे
हाँ.
and we're going to put a little bit of vanilla in the cream as
Okay.
well. Because the thing is this dessert is not very sweet.
हाँ.
Because these biscuits अब हमने mix कर दिए हैं,
हाँ,
right?
हाँ.
So the biscuits are not sweet, pineapple is not very sweet. So we're obviously going to put a little bit of icing sugar. And Bilal, it's not done yet.
Oh my God.
Keep going.
He's getting bored. Okay.
अच्छा, by the way, I
Give him
love
something
cooking.
else to do.
I love cooking, so it's not boring. अच्छा ये butter जो है अगर आप salted की जगह unsalted लो तो it will be better.
Okay.
Because that doesn't have a
Cream
taste.
cheese type इसके
नहीं,
taste आता है
cream
थोड़ा
cheese
सा.
में cheese cake आ जाता है, right?
हाँ.
So you don't want to do that.
Yeah.
So ये अब मैंने कर लिया है. अगर
हाँ.
ये थोड़े से ज़्यादा better crushed होते, obviously
हाँ.
it would have been better.
Yeah, but not bad,
But
yaar. I
not
really
bad,
like
right?
it.
We kind of fixed it.
Okay, so this is
So,
the dish.
Take any medium dish.
it's Uru.
No, Bilal, it's
Uru
not.
kind.
No, it is. गिराओ,
ये
गिराओ, गिराओ.
नहीं यार ठीक है यार ठीक है
थोड़ा सा
चल.
कर. जब तक मैं ये करती हूँ तब तक
यार
करो
मुझे
आके.
था सारे बेचारे बिलाल मुख्तार के ऊपर.
Bilal, I love you.
Only best friends can do that and get away
Yeah,
with
get
it.
away with it. अच्छा, so आपने ये सारा कुछ करके ना mix.
Base
So
क्या?
basically, ideally, if you get a dish which is transparent,
हाँ.
so you can see the layers, right?
हाँ.
But if you don't
I
have it,
actually got it, but the thing is, I thought it was a
बड़ी
bit
थी
too
बहुत
big. हाँ, बहुत
right?
ज़्यादा बड़ी
So
थी.
आप
हाँ.
इसको bottom पे डाल के
ठीक है.
and press it in.
Okay.
अच्छा, अब आपने इसको लेके because there's melted butter in it, you put it in the fridge.
Right.
उससे क्या होगा कि
For how long?
bind हो जाए. Just like जब तक cream श्रीम नहीं होती,
Okay.
right? उससे क्या होगा कि butter जो melt हुआ है, जिसने इसको सारा glue किया इकट्ठे, वो bind हो जाएगा and it will just set a little
Okay,
bit better.
okay.
I'm gonna wash my hands until Bilal. One more round of.
No, it's
One
enough.
more round.
No. That's it. Put your foot down, man. Okay,
There you are,
done.
finished.
Woo.
Okay,
There you
ठीक है.
go.
Okay, let me clean my hands.
Nice.
Yeah.
अच्छा, wait.
Very nice.
Leave my wire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Leave my
Now
wire.
stepping on Amna's wire.
Thank you. Sorry, because I have to wash my hands.
Okay, so what we did now, कुछ सुना आपने?
मैंने
बिलाल को सिर्फ खाने में इंटरेस्ट है,
मैंने खाने में इंटरेस्ट.
बनाने
अच्छा,
में नहीं.
बिलाल मुझे बताओ, while she's washing her hands and all of that, मुझे बताओ for 2021, what
Yeah.
are the plans for Bilal Mukhtar?
Okay, so 2021, Bilal Mukhtar is going to launch channels. He's going to take PR, digital PR. He's going to travel the world.
Wow,
Sure.
बेटा ये स्टूडियो भी आके पहले अच्छा कंटेंट
Oh
प्रोड्यूस
my
करें.
God,
हाँ.
I love his studio by the way. This is my first time
you.
here. It's so
Not
good.
F.
F. मैं एस क्यों लग रहा
हाँ वैसे हमने एक्सक्यूज मी ही सेड एस वेरी क्लियरली, आपको एफ स्टूडियो लग रहा है ये, हैं जी?
देखो इसको कहते हैं तीली लगाना।
ओके जी, सो द बेस इज सेट।
हाँ, the base
हाँ.
is set. थोड़ी सफाई भी कर ले
सफाई,
because
हाँ.
I hate a dirty kitchen.
Exactly what
I
Vandana
like-
said.
I like cleaning. साथ of course
Trash
Bilal
cans
ने
over
didn't
there.
bother noticing.
ट्रैश कैन्स ओवर देयर।
Bilal was like yeah whatever. Cream
Yeah.
अगर आप पीछे जाके देखें तो cream की छींटें हर जगह है।
बिल्कुल सही बोला है। थैंक्स बिलाल फॉर मेकिंग इट वेरी इजी फॉर मी
Thanks.
आफ्टर दिस आल्सो। हाँ
तो
एंड
ये
पर
हमने
मेरी
set
सफाई
कर ली।
करेंगे।
You know the
हाँ.
thing is साथ करते जाओगे तो end में एक रौला नहीं रहेगा। What we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of icing
sugar.
and we're going to sweeten it. Again, sweeten it to your taste. बहुत ज़्यादा मीठी नहीं करेंगे।
यार वैसे आई लाइक माय डेजर्ट स्वीट।
I like the sweet, but पता है क्या है, Sophie?
हाँ.
If you keep them very sweet, you can't have a lot of
They're
it.
not very sweet, but
Yeah.
like I like them sweet because I feel that if you're having dessert, what's the point of having dessert if
कुछ
it's not
desserts
sweet?
बहुत मीठी होती
Yeah?
हैं।
How is
Always
it?
taste your food by
Yeah?
the way. Little more.
Yeah, that's so true.
I love cream.
I can see that clearly.
I love meethai.
Anna loves cream.
It will be the death of me.
Acha, tell me something quickly. One food item that you simply cannot resist.
Can't resist chocolate.
Bilal, what about you?
Yeah.
What are you doing at the back? The
I
TV is
don't
over
know
here.
what he's doing. Are you even in the show?
I mean-
so used to being in the back. I just thought.
Like, what on earth happened?
Behind the scenes ना तो पता चला ना कि मुझे hosting की आदत है
बैठा
उसको.
हुआ था जाके तुझे बुलाएंगे ना आऊंगा मैं आराम से बैठा
I'm like, huh? There were two guests.
We're going to
Yeah.
put a little bit of vanilla essence.
Okay. Heavy.
So vanilla extract is better than vanilla essence. It's stronger, but if you don't have it, just put this. Don't put too much कौड़ा हो जाएगा.
हाँ बिल्कुल I agree.
You
Just the
want
right
a
amount.
little bit, huh? If you put too much of it, so it's going to become kauda. The smell.
Oof, I love the aroma. I just love it. It's just so good. I'm a complete meetha person. I have a sweet tooth.
Same.
Yeah. Really have to control myself. Yeah. How is it?
Yum.
अच्छा अगर आप ईद के वक्त ये देख रहे हैं और आप सोच रहे हैं कि भाई मीठे में क्या बनाया जा सकता है जो थोड़ा सस्ता भी है और इजी टू मेक भी,
And very impressive.
Very impressive.
Yeah.
देखो, you want to impress your guests.
And
right?
obviously enjoy the dish as well. So
And
this
enjoy
is
the
perfect.
dish. Okay, just because it's बड़ी ईद.
जी बेटा मुझे लग रहा है कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं डल रही ये चीजें हैं।
अभी चिखाऊंगी, टेंशन ना लो.
अच्छा चलो।
By the way, always taste your food.
Yeah.
I hate people who follow recipes to the T.
हाँ.
Baking में थोड़ी करनी भी पड़ती है, but you should always try it because that's when you'll know.
हाँ baking gets a little tricky ना because you know you don't really want to taste something
Try
which
it.
is not baked.
Why don't you give it a try?
Not too sweet, huh?
I really like it.
Oh no, Bilal. Let's give you a new.
ये बात सुनो
चलो
यार क्या चार्जेस हैं आपके अगर मैं आपको हायर करूं हैं सूस शेफ के लिए जरा कोई
Very nice.
वेरी नाइस यार
Ah, thank you.
वेरी नाइस
अच्छा.
आधा कमाल मेरा
Finally, ladies and gentlemen, after Aisha Ali, somebody who can actually cook on my show.
I love
And Mandana
cooking.
also, she
I
also
love
know how to cook.
अच्छा, so now what we're going to do is, after you whip this, you put it in the fridge for
All
a
right.
little while ताकि थोड़ी सी set हो जाए. It's better to do that, but since we're on TV and we don't
Yeah.
have so
Let
much
have
time.
Bilal do it now. I want him to do it.
Bilal,
क्या
Bilal,
करूं अब?
चलो यार मतलब you're also in
real test is-
हाँ मैं इस साइड पर आती हूँ चलो.
Real test is किसको
Okay,
उल्टा
thank
करें?
God I'm in the center.
Okay, hold on. Bilal, now
Can
take
you
over.
say बता रहा हूँ?
It's yours. Bilal, say whatever you want to say. It's Eid,
Okay.
Chef
मुझे
Sophie and
सिर्फ
friends
इन्होंने
anything.
बुलाया था ये करने के लिए और मेरा कोई कमाल नहीं था
देखो मैं भी स्पाइसी
हाँ
अच्छा
ऐसी चुंगी ने बुलाया
इसीलिए हम साइड पे रखते हैं कि हम ही बोलें तो बेहतर है हाँ नहीं अंदर नहीं डालना
अच्छा
बिलाल
गाड़ी में क्या समझाया था मैंने तुम्हें
ओके
so now what
एक ही काम दे दिए
अच्छा देखो ये
दोनों ने
बिलाल के
बिलाल वापस जाओ
can you crush the nuts a little bit also
ओके
crush them just a little bit okay
हेल्प की जरूरत
okay so now what we're going to do is we're going to assemble the
ये लो.
whole dish together
use this to crush the
ये
walnuts
दो
over
टिश्यूज
here.
के बीच में रखो और
कितना
ढक दो।
अब आप ऑडियंस को बताएं कितना क्रश करते हैं लाइक कितना
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the reason why this is the grand finale, the final
जितना
episode.
मेरा दिल क्रश्ड है ना बिलाल तो उतना क्रश कर दो
चुन के
पाउडर बन जाएगा
Summer madness.
वो वाली रेसिपी है जो कि आप भी बताती है और
देखिए ये रेसिपी गुस्सा भी ठंडा करती है
और फाइनली ट्राई
चलो यार मुझे तो भूख लग रही है बताओ नेक्स्ट क्या है
बिलाल
just बता दी
थोड़ा थोड़ा
अरे
ओके सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लेयर इट थोड़ा थोड़ा ये क्रश नहीं कर रहे हो ये ब्रेक कर रहे हो
Yeah.
प्लीज इसके रूम
Listen, get the roller pin.
वो किधर है पिन
इनकी डिक्शनरी में थोड़ा थोड़ा क्या है
Get the rolling pin.
थोड़ा
ये लो
थोड़ा
ठीक है
थोड़ा थोड़ा
ये लो इसको use
put it in a thingy and do it okay so
Like
now
this,
what
ठीक है?
we're going to do is we're going to assemble until he's God knows what he's doing
Yeah.
we'll figure it out later so
Little bit more.
Sophie अब हमने ये देखो ये थोड़ा सेट हो गया
हाँ बिल्कुल
so now we're going to place a a few pineapples,
Okay.
or whichever fruit that you guys are using, right?
Which could be seasonal, but right now we're using canned pineapples.
We're using canned pineapple, जिसको हमने थोड़ा dry कर लिया, because you see अगर गीला होता तो the
Sure.
whole dessert will fall apart.
Sure.
So you can, but
So it's like a nice crust, you know?
it's a nice crust, but make sure that the
Okay.
dessert
Yeah.
or the fruit that you're
Throws out
using
good.
holds its own form. ठीक है, मतलब ये ना हो कि कीवी डाल दें तो मतलब वो बिल्कुल ही वो होता है, right?
हाँ.
And then you take
चलो.
the cream
Okay.
and pour the cream on top.
Okay.
Cover the whole thing. So it's a surprise because you can't see what's in it.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
So, Sophie, the trick is now that you put this in the fridge until the cream sets. Once the cream sets, then you place the pineapples and do your decor on top.
Okay.
But obviously, इस वक्त ये set नहीं है,
We
so
don't
the
have
pineapple
time.
might sink, but we're still gonna put it on.
Right.
top,
So we're going to just let it sit in the fridge for a while and then put in some
Then
pineapples.
put in the pineapple. उससे क्या होगा कि pineapple sink नहीं होगा,
हाँ,
right?
set हो जाएंगे.
But हम कोशिश करेंगे कि ना हो बिलाल की इतनी amazing
वो सब फेंटा इतना अच्छा
beating
है।
है,
Actually, I think Bilal did a pretty good job.
breaking, beating. I'm
Definitely.
giving Bilal
आपने
all.
से बातें की हैं चीजें ingredients
मतलब excuse me.
I'm just putting ingredients.
Bilal, आप ये walnut खाएं and you didn't really beat about the bush, so I was happy about that. Okay.
Yeah, so we're just gonna place the pineapples. However, if you want to make like a design, you can. If you just want to.
What about like some of those
Catter.
different
So you can-
powders, right? That people use, for example, cinnamon powder or
You
something
can.
like
So we're
that.
going to do icing sugar,
Icing sugar.
and then you take the nuts
Yes, please.
and you.
Yeah.
मुझे तो Maroon 5 का गाना याद आ रहा है.
Bilal, I mean,
Alright.
come on, give me.
हाँ, अरे।
Okay, so since Bilal didn't break all of them, we can just maybe do like the
Yeah.
Sizes के अंदर।
bigger and chota size.
Yeah.
It was a part of our deal, you remember?
Yeah. I know.
A little bit of decor right there.
Right there.
देखिए इसमें मेरा भी कमाल
So
है।
again, you can take some cinnamon powder.
क्या बात है?
And you can place it, but cinnamon powder की थोड़ी सी वो ज्यादा होती है aroma. So you can just take a little bit of हाथ से यार sorry.
Sprinkle करना है ना
हाँ,
ऊपर.
So you sprinkle a little bit.
Uh-huh. Ooh, I like this. Actually, you're doing this salt based thing. Can we do this? Okay, ladies and
So this is
gentlemen.
the sugar bay coming to
Sugar
Pakistan.
Bay. Woo! You know, I
Yeah.
did this with the
Yeah.
episode last season. I was like, yeah, I'm the sugar bay.
Yeah.
I
so
love this.
I'll do the sugar bay. Oh, it did go.
Very nice. Very nice.
There you go, and there you have it.
Ta-da!
Clean
Acha,
up.
Amna, so just one thing. So this is basically the summer madness that you mentioned, which
This
is
is the summer
pineapple.
madness surprise. So
Summer
why the
madness
surprise?
surprise.
Because you don't know what's underneath the
Mhm.
tray.
Unless it's a dish which is transparent, then you'll be able to see at least कि उसके अंदर क्या है.
But you still don't know
you
until you
still
taste
don't know
it,
for
right?
sure until
Yeah.
you taste
And then
it.
again, very very versatile, very easy. You have to try it.
You have to try it.
Try
बिलाल,
it in front of
अब
you.
आपका बहुत important काम है. ये डिश अपने पास रखें. सामने
नहीं,
कैमरा
इधर,
एक
इधर,
सेकंड.
इधर।
कैमरे में देखें और बोलें ठाडा.
Ta-da!
चलिए वापस दे दे. Thank you very much.
Okay, no, but I'm going to make Sophie try it on camera
Okay.
so that you guys know that we're not joking around here.
Okay.
It actually tastes good.
And if
because
something happens to me,
I
I'm the
work
guinea
in
pig here.
television and I know what goes on, people.
And I'm the guinea pig here.
She's the guinea pig because she called us.
Okay. Right.
Huh? So she has to try it
Summer.
because I have to prove that it tastes good.
It looks so good.
And Bilal will also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't faint.
Okay.
Lie, woman, lie.
Okay.
I'll also eat it. Don't worry.
I loved it. बिलाल ने वॉलनट सही तरह नहीं लगाए. कस के.
See?
Okay.
मजे के है ना? The crunch is मजे
I
का.
love it. I love the crunch.
है ना?
The taste is also very good. यार ये तो बहुत मजे का है यार. Wasn't expecting it to be this good.
It is. और अभी तुम इसको फ्रिज में रखो.
Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be
Not
this
too
good.
sweet.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect. Not too heavy.
And imagine if it's like, you know, like
Mangoes के
cool.
साथ सोचो.
नहीं और अगर फ्रिज में थोड़ी देर ठंडा
हाँ. Keep it
है.
1 hour in the freezer and then in the
So ना रात के time when you're done with your eat dinner and
this is
everything,
comfort food.
PJs and you're watching
Yeah.
Netflix
I
and then
love
you
it.
have
Let me
this
just wash my
perfect
hands.
dessert. ठीक है, जबरदस्त. So ladies and gentlemen, this has been done by Amna Karda and Bilal Mukhtar. Okay guys, finally it's time for food for thought अब ये जो गिफ्ट हैम्पर आपको सामने नजर आ रहा है, दिस इज अ गिफ्ट बास्केट courtesy of Food Forest. I love these guys. Just check out the whole shebang, yaar. Kimchi girl. Then you have a little bit of this chocolate and nuts
very
and sea
exotic,
salt
by the way, I have to
bar.
say.
है ना, very exotic. And
Falsa chutney, that's fine.
falsa chutney and
Yeah.
also एक
That's fine.
second.
I'm winning this hamper.
Yeah.
Do you think you're going to win this gift hamper?
Let's
Of
see.
course not.
Let's see.
Okay, I think that
Just sweet, no grapefruit.
Yes,
is fine.
दे दो.
क्यों?
हाँ, एक चुंगे में दे दे।
Okay, guys. So this.
I'm the foodie.
Okay, everyone's a foodie here, but you
Yeah.
guys have to earn this gift basket. Okay.
Yeah,
So
I love it.
are you
Gift
guys ready for
basket.
this?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's
Okay,
give
I
it a
think
try.
I'm going to start with
What is-
Bilal
what do we have
part.
to
Okay.
बताती हूँ. So होना क्या है कि एक मैं आपको एक दूंगी tongue twister, and you have to be very quick with the tongue twister. So let's see who gets
Okay.
to win. Starting with Bilal first.
फिलहाल
of all.
वैसे ही बातें करते हुए टंग ट्विस्टर लगता
ठीक है जी, चलें. Your time starts now. कच्चा पापड़, पका पापड़, go.
कच्चा पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़
यार बंदा पहले ओके होल्ड ऑन अभी टेंशन ना ले
Yeah.
टेंशन ना
Should
ले
you- हाँ.
अभी एक सेकंड आमना की बारी ठीक है
ये दे दे कि मुझे कोई कमी ना
कच्चा पपीता गो
दोनों कच्चा कच्चा
हाँ कच्चा पपीता पक्का पपीता
कच्चा पपीता पका
नहीं,
कच्चा
taste
पपीता
it.
कच्चा पपीता पका पपीता कच्चा
Okay,
पपीता पका
दोनों flop
No, no.
now this is the buzzer what is the buzzer okay now I'm going to mention a fruit or a vegetable
मार के छोड़ूंगी
I'm going to mention a fruit or vegetable in English. आपने बताना है कि वो उर्दू में क्या है
इसकी-
ठीक है
इसको-
पहले ये करेगा वो जीतेगा रेडी गो bitter gourd
बेटा व्हाट
bitter
ओ
gourd
चलेगा
good job okay guava
अमरूद
नहीं ये
okay हाँ okay pear
नाशपाती
नाशपाती
very good
Yeah.
अच्छा 1 2 okay 1 2
अच्छा.
not bad this is going really well
Yeah.
okay watermelon
समझा
तरबूज
तरबूजा।
तरबूजा नहीं होता वाटरमेलन
that's a melon
अच्छा, अच्छा।
okay 3-1 last best of the two okay you guys ready for this zucchini
खीरा
नहीं
खीरा
कद्दू
कहाँ से आ गया है
नहीं
कद्दू किधर से
नहीं।
आ गया है
Zucchini।
Flop, दोनों flop तोरी
बात है।
तोरी okay
तोरी
नहीं तोरी is not
Tori,
zucchini
Tori,
तोरी is
Tori।
my favorite food
okay next
तोरी is something else I will
okay
check and let you
तोरी
know.
आज से same family
तोरी-
यार zucchini
Same family तो खीरा भी है
खीरा नहीं cucumber
तोरी
होता है
है।
खीरा
नहीं
तोरी है,
लेकिन तोरी भी
तोरी है।
कुछ और होता
नहीं,
है
नहीं,
I'm
तोरी।
telling you.
वो zucchini
I'm telling you तोरी नहीं होती
भाई
zucchini
देखो जो होती ना तोरी की
तोरी is
family-
my favorite सब्जी it's not zucchini I will give you
यार जो तोरी होती है
it's the same family
तो इट इज cucumber तो खीरा है
अच्छा
ना यार।
चलो रोटी
अच्छा,
है
चलो
अच्छा,
वैसे भी
okay.
मैं 3-1 हूँ
हाँ
नहीं,
3-1
2-2 हो गया।
लास्ट गाइस
वाटरमेलन भी मेरा था भाई
okay लास्ट
लास्ट
this is going to be the last one okay you guys ready for this
Yeah.
okay you sure turnip
शलजम
woo job Amna for the win you have to bow
थैंक यू
down
डार्लिंग थैंक यू वैसे भी इसमें से ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो
आमना आप कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं कि आपने ये राउंड
मैं वही महसूस कर रही हूँ जो मैं मुझे पता था होगा
और आप कैसा महसूस करें कि वही हुआ जिसका
मुझे
आपको
अगर मैं
पता
ये
था
भी जाता इधर ही जाना था कोई बात
I'm the
नहीं
foodie and I'm the cook.
Yeah.
He loves to eat.
I'm just a helper.
I make it for him. We
Yeah, yeah.
share it, okay?
Yeah.
Acha guys, thank you so very much for coming over
You're
on Chef
welcome.
Sophie and Friends. Just to let everybody know that I absolutely admire both of them for the work, the dedication,
So
the
do
hard
we.
work. So let us know.
Love yourself.
Aw,
We will love you.
Love you
Yeah.
too.
बिलाल हक दे रहे हैं
इसको
इधर आओ
इसको
अरे एक सेकंड उस वक्त
Listen to me, we are vaccinated.
हाँ.
Very
I am
following
vaccinated
SOP
now.
kind of people.
Yeah,
Okay?
exactly.
यार
Now you can
गले
give
लगने
us a
कह
hug.
रही हूँ सोशल मीडिया पकड़ डाले
Okay, another thing that you know
We're
for everyone,
vaccinated.
for everyone who's watching this right now, also वैसे तो हमने बड़ा मजा भी किया, but I really want them to know what you think about the current situation in Pakistan right now when it comes to Eid al-Adha that we're celebrating, and you as an entity, a media personality.
Okay, I think the current situation makes us to realize a lot of things, and this is my thought about it.
मतलब कि मैंने
There's what?
what thought I was still waiting for
I
like
always think that this is a year of realizations. You realize how much time you need to spend with your loved ones,
Yeah.
the ones who are losing their loved ones, and you know what? It's a year of realizing.
yeah, that's well put. I would agree with Bilal. Amna.
So I think that we should realize that life is about people, not things. So things can come and go. Today you have this, tomorrow you don't. But
Yeah.
it's the people that matter in your life.
Absolutely.
So honestly speaking, ये rat race है इससे बाहर निकलें. Enjoy it with the 4-5 people that you can count on your hand. Because at the end of the day, memories mean more than closets full of stuff.
Amna for president. Thank you so
Thank
very much,
you.
guys. guys, thank you for watching Chef Sophie and Friends Season 2. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Be safe, take care of each other, and inshallah मुलाकात होती है next season. Bye bye.
Okay, take care.
Eid Mubarak.